in a blink of an eye.
You know, I'll never forget it. I'll never forget the sound. Ran up to her. I didn't notice anything at first until I picked her up. And then that's when I noticed her foot and her leg.
Italia McAllister is 5 years old. She's finishing up kindergarten and loves cheerleading. Last week, she was rushed from her hometown of Elkhart by way of Lifeline helicopter to Indiana's only Level 1 pediatric trauma center at Riley Children's Health. Italia was in a horrific lawnmower accident. That injury led to the amputation of the lower part of her left leg. Within 24 hours, the same sort of accident happening to another child, also rushed to Riley.
Even if you think that they're not gonna get hurt in a split second, they can.
Their 3.5-year-old son, Leland, suffered serious damage to his legs from a lawnmower as well, with a long road to recovery ahead.
And that'll be surgery number 6 since the 7th when we got here. And I'm sure we have quite a few more to go.
Dr. Greg Gasky operated on Italia and Leland, both coming in within one night of the other, with the same traumatic incident involving lawnmowers.
They cause not only a large amount of physical destruction to extremities with bone and muscle and artery, nerve, skin injury, but they cause a lot of psychological trauma to the patients and the families, but unfortunately all too common.
On average, Riley sees 7 lawnmower accidents a year, and Dr. Gasky says the prognosis for Leland looks good. Luckily, he will be able to one day walk again on both of his legs. Italia lost a leg in the lawnmower accident, and those few seconds causing a forever lifelong challenge for the young cheerleader.
But she'll require multiple surgeries over the course of her adolescence and into adulthood to continue to revise her leg amputation.
Now, Italia will celebrate her kindergarten graduation next week from her hospital bed. Both sets of parents leaving this plea, something they've had to learn the hard way.
At the time of that mower running, the driver needs to be fully aware there needs to be as least obstacles as possible out there, and a child is a child.
Now, Dr. Gasky says while these accidents are devastating for families, they are also potentially preventable. Children should be inside when a mower is in use, especially kids under the age of 8. And kids should never ride on a lawnmower with an adult because they can easily slip and fall under it. And when operating, do not wear headphones because you cannot hear what is going on around you, which could be a plea for help. And the American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons recommends children be at least 12 years old before operating a push mower and 16 years old before using or riding a lawnmower.